hell was that?
A smack from my old partner's girlfriend. Stuff like this is common with the family and friends of late partners. They can't do anything to get back at the devils, so they take it out on us. Sucks, but I just consider it something that comes with the territory. What else can I do? Where did you go?
I snuck up to the girl who hit you and stuck gum on her clothes.
Huh?
You shouldn't just take crap like that. And don't feel guilty either. I was pissed. So I set out for some payback. It serves her right. She's gonna waltz around all day, oblivious that there's gum on her.